Acquisitions news. BTAB seeks new acquisitions, as global expansion plan continues. McKesson signs agreement to acquire RX Savings Solutions. WillScot Mobile Mini acquires regional modular space and portable storage provider in Mid-Atlantic. Curaleaf completes majority stake acquisition of Germany's 420 Pharma. Purple Innovation confirms buyout bid that values mattress seller at about $362 million. Purple Innovation confirms receipt of unsolicited, non-binding proposal to acquire the company. Kaman Corporation completes acquisition of the Parker-Hannifin aircraft wheel and brake division. JX Nippon to buy NRG's stake in Petra Nova carbon capture plant near Houston. Unilever violating merger deal over Israel sale. Ben & Jerry's founders on MSNBC. Bullish news. Artemis announces commencement of site works at Blackwater. Geophysical survey at Appia's Athabasca Basin uranium property outlines M lineaments exceeding 10 km in strike length. Avantis doubles development pipeline to 50 gigawatts, representing over $70 billion of investments in clean, reliable and affordable energy. Volteo Digital named official ServiceNow talent placement partner. Jackery Solar Generator 1000 Pro awarded Best of IFA 2022. Fathom announces option agreement on the Gotchaja Lake nickel-copper-cobalt project with Historic. Drill intercepts up to 2.79% NEEC. Transmedia Group to explain how USPA nationwide security works. From rescuing kidnap victims to providing witness protection and relocation under leadership of former U.S. Marine. Award-winning Batiste brings a hair refresh and moment of recess to college campuses nationwide. Shockwave Medical initiates all-female coronary IVL study. Snavely Forest Products joins Trex distribution network. GOLDBECK Solar. The Hirschberg-based company expands to North America by acquiring GP Dual EPC business unit. Everyday People Financial announces letter of intent with General Credit Services. Acolec partners with self-service platform Quick Serve to provide U.S. markets with leading-edge kiosk solutions. Chelsea Financial Services sponsors 2 runners in the 2022 TCS New York City Marathon to raise money for Michael's cause. KeyBank introduces new Key Coverage Zone (SM) for clients to avoid overdraft fees. The best weed delivered at high speed. Cushfly weed delivery service offers new customers 30% off first 3 orders. Guaranteed 45-minute delivery in Hollywood. Update 1TIM. Vivo. Claro seeks $606 MLN Brazil Oideal haircut. Barber Nichols, a Graham Corporation company, recognized by Virgin Orbit as a critical supplier. Montway Auto Transport top female executives honored as 2022 Women in Supply Chain Award recipients. The Canadian Institute launches Forum on First Nations Housing and Infrastructure Atlantic in Halifax, welcoming industry and community leaders. Nationally recognized voiceover artist and ESPN's voice of Monday Night Football, Cayman Kelly, signs MNF contract for 3rd year running. Block. Beverage company research verifies anti-aging benefits of fulvic acid and minerals. Software growth stocks. Adobe pays record multiple, Twilio sets restructuring. Facet partners with Pakistan Prime Minister's youth program and Jazz Cash to educate 1 million youth on Web3 and digital assets. Hostess plans to spend as much as $140 million reviving Arkansas plant. Bitcoin miner Bitfarms starts production in Argentina, increases hash rate to 4.1 a.s. Lithium, solar and electric vehicle stocks are charging up momentum traders. KSM Research and Innovation Center and Valo Health announce first-of-its-kind MULTIYEAR collaboration to spearhead preventive care and personalized medicine for patients. Social tech super app innovator Bebuzi, Inc. OTC. ENGA completes audit of its consolidated financial statements and plans to uplist. Boss Money and Uber partner to expand remittance options to Nigeria. Whistler Pipeline announces a new joint venture pipeline with Cheniere. ETH. Link restored after Ethereum name service wins injunction against GoDaddy. Threcat announces visual commerce for aftermarket parts to deliver parts visualization for manufacturers to dramatically transform their customer experience, increase parts sales and reduce costly errors. Xcel Energy and Bloom Energy to produce zero-carbon hydrogen at nuclear facility. Uniper remains in talks with Qatar, no deal yet on LNG delivery expansion. U.S. Air Force selects Leidos for ABMS Digital Infrastructure Consortium. Possible bearish signals as Elevance Health Inc. NYSE. ELV. Insiders disposed of $1.1 million worth of stock. Large, multi-center, multi-society study of impeller-supported patients finds 30-day AMI cardiogenic shock survival of 81%. Vice Chairman and CEO Jay Farner just bought 1.6% more shares in Rocket Companies, Inc. NYSE. RKT. Lockheed Martin Corporation. NYSE. LMT. Insiders sold $13 million worth of stock, suggesting impending weakness. Bullish Starbucks Corporation. Nasdaq. SBUX. Insiders filled their treasuries with $21 million worth of stock over last year. A J.P. Morgan Chase & Company. NYSE. JPM. Insider increased their holdings by 0.5% last year. Absolute Software adds Trellix endpoint security to application resilience ecosystem. ARBS links surround imaging radar wins AutoSense Brussels Award for Hardware Development of the Year. Black Sky wins $14 million in orders to monitor critical global economic activity. Rumble stock to begin trading under ticker symbol RUM, a symbol of freedom. CrowdStrike accelerates partner business growth with new CrowdStrike-powered service provider program. Enphase Energy and Gaslicht.com expand IQ microinverter deployments in the Netherlands. L3 Harris and Embraer to develop new agile tanker via KC-390 to support Air Force operational imperatives. Harmonic extends market leadership with new remote DAR device. AutoSense names Continental HRL 131, powered by AI technology, industry's best LiDAR sensor. Applied Blockchain announces groundbreaking of new 180 MW facility in Ellendale, North Dakota. Inari Medical announces results from the fully enrolled 800-patient U.S. cohort of the FlowTriever Flash Registry. Providence advances surgical robotics program with multi-system national contract for PROCEPT Biorobotics Aqua Beam Systems. Ralph Lauren accelerates, sets strategic plan to build on Fortress Foundation. SAIC named to Advanced Battle Management System Digital Infrastructure Consortium. ST Microelectronics announces status of common share repurchase program. Takeda signs virtual power purchase agreement with Enel North America to advance renewable energy production in the United States. Retired couple wins $5.2 million award from UBS over Yes Strategy. Veris Residential announces headline sponsorship of St. Jude Children's Research Hospital Walk, Run, 5K at MetLife Stadium on September 24, 2022. Wolfspeed turns to NCA&T to help build, diversify its growing workforce. Thousands of Aramark employees unite to volunteer for company's annual day of service. Huntington BANCSHARES Incorporated declares cash dividend on its Series 1 preferred stock. Update: Theravance Biopharma plans $250 million capital return program. Stock jumps 3% pre-market. Charge Enterprises selected by City Parking for electric vehicle charging infrastructure buildouts throughout the New York City area. Crypto miner Bitdeer bought physical safety vault La Freeport for over $28 million. Report: Crypto miner Bitdeer bought physical safety vault La Freeport for over $28 million. Report: Bitfarms hash rate exceeds 4A's milestone as it commences production at its first warehouse in Argentina. H&E Equipment Services signs definitive agreement to acquire One Source Equipment Rental, Inc. Helix Energy Solutions announces 2-year contract extension with Petrobras for SEAM Helix 2. AutoZone fourth quarter same-store sales increase 6.2%. Fourth quarter EPS increases to $40.51. Annual sales of $16.3 billion. New Sapiens Decision Automated Logic Extraction (ALE) solution reduces legacy system transformation costs by 50%. Kerr announces agreement to sell Southern Nevada Holdings for upfront cash consideration of $150 million. ASRV strives for fulfillment excellence with Descartes e-commerce warehouse and shipping solution. Pfizer announces positive top-line results from Phase 3 study in 20-valent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine in infants in the European Union. UAE accelerates plan to increase its oil production capacity. Azure Power signs agreement for 600 megawatts of First Solar's high-performance modules. Parker completes sale of aircraft wheel and brake division to Kaman. Technip FMC, FTI, gets EPCI contract from TTE offshore Brazil. Terran Orbital Corporation, NYSE, LLAP, insiders have significant skin in the game with 40% ownership. Possible bearish signals as McDonald's Corporation, NYSE, MCD, insiders disposed of $3.7 million worth of stock. Theravance Biopharma, Inc. initiates $250 million capital return program. Pakistan's largest fuel retailer planning to build $500 million LNG terminal. Update: 1 Tesla completes production capacity expansion at Shanghai plant, Shanghai government. Ideanomics enhances the availability of Solectrac electric tractors across the United States with 7 new dealer partnerships. New Pacific reports drill hole assay results and remains on schedule to complete the P for the Silver Sand project. Tesla completes production capacity expansion at Shanghai plant, Shanghai government. Gold struggles as Fed fears swirl before Powell's decision day. Diversey partners with TYPSY to provide on-demand training. Tesla plans to double sales in Germany for 2022. Report. China's gasoline and diesel exports exploded in August. iQIYI continues to support revenue-sharing model with revenue for Shining for One Thing reaching RMB 100 million. Microvast makes batteries smarter and safer. New battery management system BMS 5.0 improves safety and extends battery lifetime. Turnkey solutions tailored for commercial vehicles. Microvast introduces next-generation battery products with leading-edge energy density and power performance. AbbVie secures positive CHMP opinion for risankizumab (SKYRIZI) for the treatment of adults with moderate to severe Crohn's disease. Equinor ASA share buyback. Semtech announces production release of new lower power Tri-Edge 50 GPA M4 CDR receiver for 200G and 400G data center applications. Semtech releases FiberEdge linear vertical cavity surface emitting laser VCSEL driver for 400G and 800G data centers. Semtech reveals production of FiberEdge transimpedance amplifiers TIA integrated circuit IC to enable industry's best chipset performance for 5G deployments. Semtech expands specialized FiberEdge integrated circuit IC solutions for use in optical modules for 5G wireless X-Hall applications. Semtech announces demonstration of groundbreaking 200G per lane FiberEdge physical medium dependent PMD chipset at ECOC 2022. Sandoz announces further progress on its biosimilar pipeline, with release of positive results for denosumab integrated phase 1/3 clinical trial. Ballard Power Systems deepens strategic partnership with Quantron AG and receives order for 140 fuel cell engines. Semtech and Coherent showcase 200G per lane laser driver with 200G EML optics at ECOC 2022. OneConnect expands its presence in the Middle East by developing with Abu Dhabi Global Market a digital SME funding platform. XPeng debuts City NGP pilot program. Biohaven announces record date for anticipated spin-off. Disney, Universal get new theme park competition from Sony. Bearish news. Do Kwon at risk of an Interpol red notice as Net Titans. Google's Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6e pricing leaks on retail site. Is Google a buy or sell? Shares falter since stock split. Bitcoin falls below $19,000 and Ether tumbles 8% on Fed jitters. Global markets stocks slide, Treasury yields jump before central banks meet. Global oil benchmark falls back below $90 a barrel as recession fears, dollar strength take toll. CME Group Inc.'s Nasdaq CME market cap declines to $69 billion but insiders who sold $17 million stock were able to hedge their losses. Canada stocks TSX futures drop as big week for central banks kicks off. Granite Construction will no longer sell water resources. Mineral services businesses, citing market conditions. Stock market news live updates. Stock futures fall as Wall Street braces for Fed meeting. Granite announces change in divestiture plans. Oil dips as looming interest rate rises spur concern on growth. China's EV startups suffer widening losses despite sales boom. Private drillers are hitting their limits. Delta looks to improve margins, cut debt as travel rebounds. EVGA to stop making graphics cards after Ethereum merge. European gas futures hit lowest since July on demand moderation. Sea to fire 3% of Shopee Indonesia staff as layoffs start. As Blackstone Inc.'s NYSE BX market cap dropped by $5.3 billion United States dollars. Insiders who sold $20 million United States dollars worth of stock were able to offset their losses. Danaher, NYSE DHR, sheds 4.6% this week, as yearly returns fall more in line with earnings growth. Ben & Jerry's alleges Unilever usurped company board in Israel dispute. Take-Two shares fall after reported leak of GTA Vi gameplay footage. Oil falls more than 2% on demand fears and strong dollar. Financing news. Kate Farms closes $75 million Series C round, investment, LED by Novo Holdings. Virtus Total Return Fund Inc. completes rights offering. African crypto exchange Yellow Card closes $40 million Series B. Bellrock Brands announces sale of property, retires debt. Prospect Capital Corporation announces launch of cash tender offer for any and all of its outstanding 5.875% senior notes due 2023. Emial Medical Supply offers a diverse range of medical supplies in one place. Ventyx Biosciences announces $176.6 million private placement of common stock. CIT serves as sole lead arranger on $110 million financing for Quipt Home Medical. Quipt Home Medical announces closing of upsized senior credit facilities for $110 million to accelerate future growth. Intercontinental Hotels Group plc announces transaction in own shares, September 19. Earnings news. Budmail provides corporate update regarding new domain. The Irvin Group offers to collaborate with Ammo Inc.'s Board of Directors to set a date for the 2022 annual meeting of shareholders. De NVIDIA's Nasdaq NVDA earnings warrant your attention. Allscripts to host Virtual Investor Day September 28. Accolade to announce fiscal second quarter 2023 financial results. Alnylam to host 9th annual RNI Roundtable webcast series. PulteGroup's third quarter 2022 earnings release and webcast conference call scheduled for October 25, 2022. Synchrony to announce third quarter 2022 financial results on October 25, 2022. Earnings are growing at Booking Holdings. Nasdaq BKNG, but shareholders still don't like its prospects. HCA Healthcare's NYSE HCA 5-year total shareholder returns outpace the underlying earnings growth. Altair announces release of Simulation 2022.1 software update. Ovantiv posts Montney webcast materials. Bio-Techne issues 2022 Corporate Sustainability Report. The 3-year decline in earnings for Cabot NYSE CBT isn't encouraging, but shareholders are still up 67% over that period. Target Hospitality announces September 2022 conference attendance and presentation schedule. International Game Technology plc announces early results of and increases of caps and new early settlement date with respect to capped tender offer for its 6.500% senior secured notes due 2025. and its 3.500% senior secured notes due 2024. FedEx, UPS, General Mills, Costco and Adobe are part of Zacks earnings preview. Lind Places, NYSE. Lin. Earnings haven't escaped the attention of investors. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.